everyone, it's Gaga Joy, Gaga Joy's Cooking, and today we're going to continue our side dishes. I have to have a side dish tomorrow for a luncheon, and it's cranberry salad, and this thought this would be a good time to make a video. Now I've gone through all my cranberries. It's a bag this size, and honestly, I don't think this is the size that they always put it in. I'm so clear of everything. This is a 12 ounce, and I think they've always been 14, but how can I remember from a year back? Anyway, I went through them, and I do pick them out, make sure everything's a good berry. I think there were 6 in here that I took out. So I'm going to put that on the stove, and 2/3 cup of sugar, and I'm going to start out and see how much it would take to cover it. Okay. This particular one took a cup. Now, this is something I do that you may not want to do. This is a little package of cranberry jello. I put it in with the jello so that it just makes it, it makes it a little bit stiffer when you're eating it. You don't have to do it. It's just something I've done. This was my mother-in-law's recipe, and I guess this is about I've made it so many times now, I probably can make it in my sleep. And it is truly one of my very, very favorite recipes. And into my jello salad, I'm cutting up a pear, a navel orange, an apple, and about a 1/2 cup or 3/4 cup of nuts that goes in it. Like I said, it's a good one. I just cut them up small. I'm going to put this water. Okay. And of course, I'm sure you have your own way of making cranberries, but I'm going to tell you this is one of your better ones. I got a little hand chopper right here. You can always give it an extra spot. I love cooking things like this. You could put a tart apple in it. I went for the golden delicious because we got plenty of tarts, They haven't started popping yet. I loved it when they start popping. Yep, there they go. They started popping. Can you hear a pop? Well, it popped out. I'm going to put about a half a cup of ice in it just to cool it down a bit so I can add the fruit. Apples. I guess I've thrown them in here. And our pear. And our nuts. And now we're going to work on the orange. It's the longest, it takes the longest to do. Gee, when I was growing up, there were such big oranges and tangerines. This is a navel orange, and it's so small and dry. I hope we get some good fruit. This is the time of year for the trees to start coming up north. I don't put all the orange in it. I try to just get the middle of it out. I don't put the white in. So it takes a little bit, it's a little bit more time consuming, but I think it does best. Plus you get plenty of orange juice, which is wonderful. But you can see it's a very easy side dish to make. I hope you have making plans for the holidays. I said, I think I've got everything bought up for the next 6 weeks. Excuse me. Because last year I didn't do it till later, and I could not find half the stuff I needed last year. I had to make substitutes on everything, and I thought, nope, I'm going to do it this year early. Now you may have a better way of doing this one too. We're getting there. I have put the little mandarin oranges in it, the canned ones, but it's not near as good. In fact, it's a real no-no. Although I love them, it's just, this is not the place for them. Hot. We've already had one snow. Not my cup of tea, but a lot of people it is. Well, I think we did it. And there's one. I don't know why it's so hot. I haven't had the heat on all day. Okay. Let me get a bowl to put it in. And there's my cranberry salad. If I get up early in the morning and have time, I'll let you see what it looks like when it's set. But knowing it's a Sunday morning, don't count on it. I want you to do me a favor. When you see my videos and you like them, go below and just put thank you, hi, joy, just a word. The algorithms have changed on YouTube now, and for some reason we haven't caught up with them. But if you get a chance, just go down and put hi. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. That means a whole lot to you. Yes, if you don't care. And we've been together about 5 years now. So let's stay together. Take care of yourself. Have a good weekend. Remember the joy. See you soon.